Did you know that the Oppo Reno 15 can process tasks 30% faster than its predecessor, thanks to its upgraded chipset? It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. The Oppo Reno 15 has been making waves in the smartphone market, and for good reason. This device promises to deliver exceptional performance, and I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. With its sleek design and impressive specs, it's definitely worth taking a closer look. Oppo is a well-known manufacturer with a reputation for producing high-quality smartphones. The Reno series, in particular, has gained a loyal following over the years. But what makes the Oppo Reno 15 stand out from the rest? The Reno series has always been about combining style with substance, and the Oppo Reno 15 is no exception. Its unique design elements and premium feel make it a device that's hard to ignore. The Oppo Reno 15 boasts some impressive specs, including a powerful processor, ample storage, and a high-quality camera system. With a large 6.7-inch display, you'll enjoy an immersive viewing experience whether you're watching videos or browsing the web. One of the standout features of the Oppo Reno 15 is its camera capabilities. With a quad-camera setup, you'll be able to capture stunning images with ease. The 50MP primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and 2MP macro lens work together to deliver exceptional results. But it's not just about the cameras. The Oppo Reno 15 also packs a large 4,500 mAh battery, ensuring you can go about your day without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need to charge, the 65 watts fast charging support has got you covered. The Oppo Reno 15 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which provides a seamless performance experience. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, you'll have all the memory you need to store your favorite apps and files. In terms of software, the Oppo Reno 15 runs on ColorOS 11, which offers a clean and intuitive interface. You'll also find a range of features like AI-powered performance optimization and enhanced security. But what about real-world performance? I've had the chance to put the Oppo Reno 15 through its paces, and I'm impressed with how it handles demanding tasks like gaming and video editing. Of course, no device is perfect, and there are some drawbacks to consider. For example, the Oppo Reno 15's display, while large and vibrant, could benefit from a higher refresh rate. Additionally, the phone's design, while sleek, can be a bit slippery in the hand. A case is definitely recommended to prevent accidental drops. That being said, the pros of the Oppo Reno 15 far outweigh the cons. Its exceptional performance, impressive cameras, and long-lasting battery make it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a new smartphone. I've been using the Oppo Reno 15 for a while now, and it's definitely made an impact on my daily life. The improved performance and camera capabilities have made it an essential tool for my content creation. The Oppo Reno 15 stacks up well against its competitors, offering a unique blend of performance, features, and style. Its price point is competitive, especially considering the value you get for your money. Compared to other smartphones in its price range, the Oppo Reno 15 stands out for its exceptional performance and camera capabilities. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new device. In my opinion, the Oppo Reno 15 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-performance smartphone. Its impressive specs, combined with its sleek design, make it a compelling option. I give the Oppo Reno 15 a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's an exceptional device that's sure to please even the most discerning users. If you're considering the Oppo Reno 15, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you had a chance to try it out, or do you have any questions about this device? Make sure to check out my other videos, where I review the latest smartphones and gadgets. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Your thoughts on the Oppo Reno 15 are invaluable to me, so please share them in the comments. What do you think about this device? If you want to stay up to date on the latest tech news and reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll catch you in the next video.